Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amit. Today we will learn about the variable, JavaScript variable, how to define the variable, how to declare the value, and what is the naming convention, how to create the variable. So all these things we will learn today. So first, we will know about the variable. What are the variables in JavaScript? So variable are container for just like storing a value, okay, and variable are container for sorting data value. For example, in this example, x y z are variables, okay. Here x y z, these are variables, and x store the value of 5, means 5 value stored inside the variable x, okay. This is the y, it's hold the value of 6, z hold the x and y. So in this example, x y and z are variable declared with the var keyword, okay, declared with the var keyword, okay. So there are four way to declare the JavaScript variable: using var, using let, using const, using nothing, okay. Because JavaScript loosely coupled language, right? So there are you can define the variable name as per your choice. There are no validation if you there are no limitation to declare as a string or number. If you want to assign, if you use the var keyword and var x, you if you want to store the value as a number, if you want to store the value as a string, if you want to store the value as a boolean, so there are no limitation, you can use it, okay. So variable are container for storing the data or sorting the data, okay. So there are you can declare the variable using var keyword, let keyword, and const keyword. So another question here is, what is the difference between the var, let, and const? Okay, I will tell you. But when you use the JavaScript var keyword, always declare the JavaScript variable with var keyword, let keyword, and const keyword. There are three types: var, let, and const. We will declare the variable using the var keyword, let keyword, and const keyword, okay. The var keyword is used in all JavaScript code from 1995 to 2050, and let and const keyword added to JavaScript in 2015, means when ECMAScript 6 is introduced, then it will added let and const keyword added, okay, where let and const keyword were added to ECMAScript 6. If you want your code to run in older browser, so you must use the var keyword, okay. But in the latest modern JavaScript, there are two another keyword are added were added, let and const keyword, okay. So first go to the code. First I will show you how to declare the variable, okay. Inside the JavaScript folder, open the same folder inside the code. So go to the script tag. Inside the script tag, how to declare the variable. First you can declare the variable and define the value. Initialize, first you will initialize the variable, then you will declare the value, okay. First initialize the value var name. This is the one variable, okay. Var name, age, var name, age, and salary. This is the variable name, okay. So this is the initialization. You initialize the variable, right? And if you want to assign the value, so you can use like this name. I want to assign here Mohan, okay. Age is 25 and salary you can assign 25,000. Okay, so this is the initialization, this is the value declare. Okay, assignment or declaration. Okay, or 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 you can declare like this, var commented in a second way name equal to Mohan, var is equal to 25, var salary equal to 20,000, like this. Okay, so this one and this one both are equal. Okay, first you initialize here, in this case you initialize the variable and assignment. Initialization and declaration you can perform here at a time. Okay, but here first you initialize the variable, then you declare the value, right? So both are equal. As your wish, you can declare the variable, you can initialize and declare the variable. Okay, so this is the initialization or declaration. And if you want to use the same data between the html, so you just use like this. Yes, to here if you want to display the same name between the html, so you can use like this. Not like this. id name. So document dot get element by id. First you will access the element using id or class name or tag name. Okay, dot inner html equal to, you will assign the name. Okay, copy the path, or no, not like this. You can just write like this, document dot write what you want to write. First name you want to write, first name. Okay, second document dot write age, you want to write age. And third one is salary, document dot write document dot write salary. Okay, save it and copy this one, copy the path, go to the browser and run the code. As you can see, name, age and salary, it is displayed. Okay, use the semicolon. The br tag, use the br between the script, it is not displayed. Okay, so you can use like this. Okay, in the next step I will show you how to display in between the html. Okay, in the second phase I will show you. For now just leave it. Okay, so you can declare the variable like this. So here we have three keyword for declaring the variable. Okay, first keyword is var, and second is a let, and third one is the const. So first we'll understand about the var, let and const. Let and const introduced in the latest JavaScript, ECMAScript 15. This is the standard of JavaScript. It is introduced in 2015. Okay, ECMAScript 6. And previously in the old browser, if you want to perform the operation, if you want to display the data in the old browser, so you can just use the var keyword. Okay, but in the latest browser, it is introduced some to another variable that is called let and const. So there are some difference between the var, let and const. If you first I will explain the var keyword, about the var keyword. If you declare the variable as a var, so there is the scope. If you declare the variable, using the var keyword, so it will be accessible as a global scope. There the difference between the var and let and const. First I will explain based on the scope. Based on the scope, if you declare the variable as a var keyword using var keyword, so it will be accessible the global scope. It will be a global scope. And if you declare the variable as a let and const, so there are some block level scope. It will not accessible outside the method, outside the function. Okay. And if you declare the variable as a var keyword, if you declare the variable as a var using var keyword, okay, so you will be reassign the value. You will be able to reassign the value on the same variable name. But if you declare the let and const, if you declare the const, so you will be not reassign the value, because const keyword is the constant. And if you declare the let, so you are already uh, reassign the value. I will show you. I will show you in the browser. Okay, in the browser how we can reinitialize. I will show you here. Here I'm using var keyword, right? Here I'm using var keyword. I'm console.log. I'm consoling the name. I'm consoling the name here. Okay, I will show you. This is the name. I'm consoling the name. Name. I'm consoling the name here. Okay, here I declared the first name is equal to Mohan, and second again I will reassign the value Mohan and Sohan. See, first initialize the variable and assign the value here. Assignment, I applied the Mohan. Same variable name, reassign the value Sohan. So which one, what value display in the console? Guess, guys. You guys guess. See, Sohan, last one value printed, because our Java compiler, our Java interpret, because JavaScript, there are JavaScript, when JavaScript compiled, so it will compile line by line. Okay, our compiler coming here. Okay, it will check the name variable, first name value is the Mohan. Go down again here, reinitialize, right? The same variable name reinitialize. Instead of Mohan, I already reassigned the value Sohan. So last one printed, because where keyword provide the reinitialization. But same thing here. I assign the let as let name equal to my name. This is the keyword, and JavaScript variable name always case sensitive. Okay, always case sensitive. This name is the different, and I will use the same. First letter is capital. So this is the different variable name, and this is the very different variable name. Okay, here using let. Okay, here I'm assigning using let, and the same name I reassign the same value, reassign. reassign. Okay, and I want to print the name, this one. Refresh the page. So as you can see, let keyword already, let keyword भी provide कर रहा है reassignment. Okay, let keyword let keyword also provide the reassignment, but same thing I want to use const keyword, const keyword, const keyword, const keyword, const my name, const keyword, const keyword, reassign again my name, assign using const. Print this one, print this one. I will show you the difference. Print this one. So as you can see here, error coming, assignment of constant variable, type error, assignment to constant variable, because const keyword not provide to reassignment. Okay, let and const providing the reassignment, but const keyword not providing the reassignment. Okay, reassignment variable. So const means constant. If you variable declare as a const, so it will be constant, it will be constant. Okay, give me some moment. So this is the difference of reassignment. Okay, between the variable where const and let keyword. I will show you the difference based on the local scope and global scope. Okay, I will show you. First, let me remove all those things. So this is the difference based on the variable reassignment, variable reassignment. So I hope you guys understand variable reassignment. Okay, so remove this one. I will show you variable difference between the difference based on the difference based on the scope, based on the scope. So first I will declare the value where name equal to Amit. Okay, and let age equal to 20. Okay, so this variable declare the outside, both variable declare outside. I will create one function here, function. I will declare one function test. This is the function. Here I am consoling console.log. I am consoling the value. I am consoling first name. Okay, I am consoling name here. I am consoling name here. Okay, and same I am consoling age also. Age. And I will declare the const also. Const salary. Salary 25. Okay, this is the salary. I am consoling here. I am consoling the salary also. Okay, salary also. Salary. Okay, so these variable declare the outside of function. Outside of this is the function scope, means block level scope. This is the block level scope, and this is the outer. It will variable declared outside the function, means all variable declared outside of, means global scope. Okay, global scope. Call the function test. I will call the function test. Okay, I'm calling the function, and after calling I will console the same thing. inside the outside. I am consoling the outside also. Same thing. I am consoling the outside also. Name inner age inner means inner function. Okay. I will show you the difference. Okay. Refresh the page. Refresh the page. Both are the accessible. Why? I think some mistakes happen. Name, age, and salary. Because I am accessing the inside the function. Oh, okay, okay. This is the okay. I will call another function also inside the another function because this is the one body, right? This is the one global. This is the global function. This is the one global function. Inside this, I will call another function. This is the inner fun. Okay. Inside the inner function, I will cut this one and define here. Okay, define here, and inside the inner function, same thing. I will console, and after that, I will call this one also. I will call this one. Okay, so this is the main function. This is the main our function, and here I declare the where let const as a globally and printing the as a globally here, and inside the another function that is the one another scope. This is the global scope. This function has a global scope. This function is the block level scope, right? So inside the block level, I am accessing all these things. Save this one and refresh the page. It is accessible. Give me some moment. Okay, here some mistakes are there because these are all variable defined in the global scope inside the, so then it will be accessible, right? Global all variable declared as a globally, all variable declared as a globally, then it has then it has accessible, it will be accessible, but if you declare here inside the function, and if you want to access outside, okay, if you want to access outside, if you want to access if you want to access outside all variable I will cut here, declared here, and access outside the function. Okay, I will access the outside. Okay, so come here, refresh the page. So as you can see, only Amit variable accessible, only name accessible, only name will accessible, right? These are two not accessible because let and const define inside the function. There are only the block level scope. This is the global where defined as a globally, then it has accessible. Remove this one. And if you want to access the name also inside the this function, so you can also access here also. Okay, refresh the page. See, you can also access the, because you define the name as a where keyword using with where keyword, so where keyword also accessible in inner and outer also, global, local and global both, but you declare the let and const, you declare the let and const as a block level scope, and you want to access outside the function, so you are not able to access, you never access outside the function. And if you want, I will show you, copy this one and paste inside the function, so you are able to access. See, you are able to access. because you write the console log inside the function, so you are able to access. But same thing you want to access outside, so never accessible. Okay, so I hope you guys understand the difference where let and const. Okay, these are the variable, and there are some limitation to assigning the variable. Okay, variable name also the follow the camel case convention, and for example, variable name is also case sensitive. Okay, you declare the variable, for example, you declare the variable x equal to, this is the another variable you want to you want to declare as a capital X, so this is the different variable. Okay, a small letter, this is the another variable, capital X, this is the another variable. And variable name always contain the number. First you will start the variable name as a string, and then you can add some number also, but you cannot mm, start your variable name using the number. Okay, like this, like this is the incorrect way, but this is the incorrect way, but you can declare like this name, like this is the correct way. Okay, this is the incorrect, because variable name never start, you can't start the variable name starting the number. You can start variable name using the using the characters, but you can't start the variable name using the number. Okay, you can add the special number also. No, not a special number, only underscore, only the underscore you can use. Okay, underscore you can use, other special number you can't use. See, it giving error, it's giving error, right? You just use the underscore, number, character and underscore for creating the variable name. See here, JavaScript identifier. All JavaScript variable must be identified with unique name. Okay, identified with a unique name. All JavaScript variable must be identified with a unique name. These unique name are called identifier. And we have some reserved keyword. We have some reserved keyword, so you cannot use the reserved keyword as a variable name. We have some 52 reserved keyword in our JavaScript. We have some reserved keyword, so you cannot use as a variable name, just like uh, string, boolean, number, undefined, null. These are some predefined identifier. Okay, keyword, predefined keyword. Okay, so you cannot use as a variable name. Identifier can be short name like x and y, or more descriptive name, age, some total value like this. In general rules of constructing names for the variable, unique identifier or name can contain the letters. I also explained sometime 2 minutes back. Okay, name also contain the letter, digits, underscore and dollar sign. Okay, names, variable names can contain the letter, means characters, numbers, underscore and dollar sign. You can use number, letters, underscore and dollar sign. Variable name must begin with a letter. I already show you here. Variable name will start using the letter, not number. Okay, name can also begin the dollar and underscore, but will not use it in this tutorial. So you can declare the variable, you can declare the variable begin dollar symbol name like this. Okay, you can use also underscore, start with underscore name dollar like this. Okay, names are case sensitive. Y, small y and capital Y, these are the two different variable. Reserved keyword like JavaScript keyword cannot be used as a variable name. Okay, we have some reserved keyword, so you cannot use as a variable name, you cannot use as a variable name. So these are some limitations. the assignment operator. In the same, I will show you assignment operator. In JavaScript, equal sign is an assignment operator, not an equal to, not an equal to operator. This is different from algebraic. For following does not make sense in algebra like this. This is the equal symbol used for assignment purpose. Equal sign used for assignment purpose. We have some equal to operator. We have some equal to operator. There are double equal to and triple equal to. We have some double equal to sign. This is the equal to this one. We have some equal to, double equal to and triple equal to. So what is the difference between double equal to and triple equal to? I will explain you when I will teach the data type. Then I will explain the double equal to and triple equal to. Double equal to check only the value and triple equal to check the value and type. So I will show you in the next session when I will teach the data type. Okay, so I will stop this session for today. Okay, in the next video, we'll meet with the data type. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video.